Meron ka sariling mundo na dapat mong galawan at dapat mong kilusan at may dapat kang patunayan. Do you think sisirain mo yung buhay mo, babalik siya sa'yo? No, it's not. Why you keep on coming back to your ex? It's because he is the prize. Kung tatanungin natin kung sino mas picky, lalaki, babae, and kaya kayo nagpapaganda in order for you to attract those men na high value guy. Sino mas marami? Babaeng maganda o lalaking very successful? Hindi dahil maganda ka, you are already the prize. No, hindi. You need to bring something more to the table. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Suplado Moto. Good evening. Okay, for today's vlog, let's talk about why women are not the prize. Okay guys, pag-usapan natin ngayon, bakit nga ba hindi prize ang mga babae? Okay guys, so bakit natin masasabi na hindi kailanman magiging prize ang babae when it comes to relationship? So we are talking about the relationship here, we are not talking about the attraction. Kasi I think kaya sinasabi ng mga babae na sila yung prize is because of their beauty. With your beauty, for sure you can attract anyone. But we are talking about is yung lalaki na gusto nyo, o yung lalaki na pinapangarap nyo, o yung lalaki na karamihang gusto ng babae. Doon tayo mag-focus guys. Wag tayo mag-focus sa ganda nyo, okay? Or sa attraction na kaya nyo gawin when it comes to men. Alam natin na kaya nyo i-attract kahit sinong lalaki, walang problema doon. Given yun. Kaya nga sinasabi ko na hindi kailanman magiging price ang babae when it comes to relationship is because women's value are already given. Once na pinanganak ka, na babae ka, you already have the value. Men earn their value. Okay? Kung ikaw bilang babae, meron kang boyfriend ngayon at 30 plus or 35 and up or maybe 40 years old and he's very successful at tinatamasa mo or ikaw ang nag-e-enjoy ng mga pinagsikapan niya, you need to be thankful with those women na nakasalamuhan niya or with those people na nakasalamuhan niya. Why? Because that's the fruit of his struggle and pain. Hindi siya basta-basta naging attractive na kagaya mo na pinanganak ka. At the age of 16, nakikita ka na ng ganda. 18, 19, 20. Doon nakikita yung ganda mo lumalabas, di ba? Pero sa lalaki, the only time na mas magiging attractive lang ang lalaki when he reach 30 years old and up. Not because of his looks, not only because of his money, it's also because of his experience. For example, ladies, ikaw ay 22 years old at nakipag-date ka sa isang 32 years old. Pumayag ka na makipag-date sa kanya at pumayag ka na maging boyfriend, maging girlfriend niya. Ibig sabihin nun, you see something in him na hindi mo nakita sa iba, especially sa kaedad mo. So, by definition, he is the captain of the ship. With his experience, ibig sabihin, by default, he will be the leader of the relationship. So tell me, how can you be the prize? What else can you give to this world or to your man? Besides you know how to cook, you know how to laundry. It's not a big flex because it's a duty when you are in a relationship, especially if you become a mom. Alright? So that's given. Yung magluto ka para sa pamilya mo or para sa boyfriend mo or para sa asawa mo, it's already given. Hindi yun complex na sinasabi mo na marunong ka magluto at marunong ka maglaba, you are already the prize. No, hindi. Hindi dahil maganda ka, you are already the prize. No, hindi. You need to bring something more to the table. Okay? Make sure na dapat kaya mong tambasan or kaya mong pantayan. Kahit pantayan na lang yung ginagawa ng lalaki para sa'yo or yung kayang gawin ng mga lalaki para sa'yo. Ngayon ladies, habang nakikinig kayo dito ng mga sinasabi ko, nakaupo kayo sa chair, nagawa ng lalaki. Nakahiga kayo sa kama nyo, nagawa ng lalaki. Lahat yan, produce or invention ng mga karamihang lalaki. Lahat kayo nakikinabang sa kung ano man ang pinroduce na naming mga kalalakihan. Especially those guys na very successful. Balik tayo dun sa who's the prize. Okay, pumunta naman tayo sa supply and demand. Kung sa supply and demand lang, sino mas marami? Babaeng maganda o lalaking very successful and at the same time attractive? Gaano kadami ang supply ng karamihang magagandang babae? Wherever you go, tama? Kahit saan ka magpunta, laging may magagandang babae. And it means that, by definition, women beauties are common. Kaya nga, karamihan sa inyo nagpapaganda or you putting your life on the line or you're taking risks just to look beautiful. Yung masasakit na surgery para gumanda kayo, gagawin nyo just to stay beautiful, just to look beautiful. Because you know, your value are ties with your looks. And kaya kayo nagpapaganda in order for you to attract those men na high value guy. Okay? Women are picky? Yes. Kung tatanungin natin kung sino mas picky, lalaki, babae. So, ibig ba sabihin nun, ang pipiliin yung lalaki is dapat pasok sa standard nyo? Of course, di ba? So, ganito na lang. You women will never go out with a guy na hindi niya na-hit or na-reach yung standard na gusto mo. The guys need to check all the boxes bago ka lumabas together with him. Because pag hindi, you will never go out with him. Tama? So, ibig sabihin ba nun, he is the price? Of course. By definition, he will be the price. And he is the fucking price. That's why you keep on coming back to your ex because no one can beat him. When it comes to attraction, you are very still attracted and in love with him because nakikita mo is siya lang, wala siyang katulad, wala siyang kapalit. Kahit na niloko ka, kahit na sinasaktan ka, you keep on coming back to him because you are so in love with his leadership. Kung talagang ikaw ang Bryce, then why you keep on coming back to your ex? Why you keep on entertaining your ex? Samantalang may mga lalaking willing magbigay sa'yo ng relasyon na gusto mo, and at the same time, kaya rin nila maging funny. Why you keep on coming back to your ex? It's because he is the price. Because whenever you are around him, you feel good and you feel happy. Because he is providing something, not only his looks, not only his money, he is providing more than that. And he can bring more to the table because he is the fucking price. So ladies, kung talagang price kayo, can you list down yung mga kaya nyong gawin? Huwag nyong i-list down yung sinasabi nyo na kaya nyong magluto, kaya nyong maglaba, kaya nyong magplancha. It's not a redeeming qualities. Okay? It's a duty when you are in a relationship. Para pag bumili ka ng aircon, free installation na. Ibig sabihin, hindi ikaw mag-i-install nun. Ibig sabihin, sila na yun kung saan ka bumili. So, same thing with women, di ba? Once na nag-asawa ka, dapat you know how to cook, you know how to clean, you know how to iron. Same thing with guys, okay? With men. You need to provide more than women. Kasi pag hindi, at the end of the day, your woman will leave you. Because wala kang kayang i-provide. Because pwedeng nagkamali sila sa'yo. Ladies, please, if you have something on your mind na tingin nyo na talagang redeeming qualities, kindly list down. And please, don't comment based on how you feel. Don't comment based on your cousin. Yung cousin ko nga ganito, yung ate ko nga ganito, yung kaklase ko nga ganito. No, okay? Hindi tumatakbo ang mundo dahil sa kaklase mo or experience ng kaklase mo or sa experience mo. That's not how the world works. Kaya nga guys, naiinis ako sa inyo kasi nagme-message kayo na parang end of the world na pag hindi na nag-reply yung babae na gusto nyo or pag hindi na siya nag-text or pag bigla siya nagbago, parang anong gagawin ko? Parang doon ka na nag-i-start na puta, hindi, hahabulin ko tong babae na to. It's our fault. That's why they are like that. That's why they act like that. That's why they think they are the prize. Okay, ladies. Sige, sabihin ko na nga. You can be the prize, don't worry. Walang problema yon. You can be the prize, ulitin ko. But for only those guys na naghahabol sa'yo. Yung mga lalaki na nag-hi sa'yo sa DMs, yung mga lalaki nag-hi and hello sa Instagram mo, sa Messenger mo, or sa any segment mo na inaaya ka makipag-date at inaaya ka magkape. At yung mga pin-friend zone mo at yung mga nireject mo, you are the fucking prize with those guys. Pero yung lalaki na hinahanap mo, they are the fucking prize. Okay? Hindi ka pwede magmaasim. Unang-una, ikaw ang picky, 'di ba? Kaya ka nga single ngayon kasi wala kang mapili because the guy that you like is rare. Ibig sabihin, pag rare, he is the fucking prize. Okay? Guys, stop crying over one woman na wala naman na provide sa'yo kundi sakit ng ulo. Ito, para sa mga kalalakihan dyan na until now, umiiyak pa rin dahil sa EA na iniwan siya. Meron mga nagbe-message sa atin, depressed daw siya, naglalasing sila. Alam mo yun, yung pinabayaan niya yung sarili niya. What? Bro, anong ginagawa mo? Do you think sisirain mo yung buhay mo, babalik siya sa'yo? No, it's not. Parang mas kinonfirm mo lang na dapat ka talaga niyang iwanan dahil sinira mo yung buhay mo para sa kanya. Unang-una, hindi attractive sa mga kababaihan yung mga lalaki na ginagawang mundo ang mga babae. Kailangan niya maramdaman na safe siya sa'yo. How can she feel safe sa'yo kung ginagawa mo siyang mundo? Gets mo? Where's your purpose? Anong purpose mo sa buhay? Anong kaya mong ibigay sa mundong ito? Hindi siya ang mundo mo. Meron ka sariling mundo na dapat mong galawan at dapat mong kilusan at may dapat kang patunayan. Hindi mag-i-stay sa'yo ang babae dahil lagi ka nandyan. Hindi mag-i-stay sa'yo ang babae dahil lagi ka nagme-message. Hindi attractive sa mga babae na lagi ka nag-I love you. Hindi attractive sa mga babae na lagi kang nakastalk. Hindi attractive sa mga babae na lagi mo binibigay yung gusto nila. At lalong-lalong hindi attractive sa mga babae na bumabalik ka pa rin sa kabila ng pag-reject nila sa inyo. Hindi mo ba naintindihan? Pag sa mundong ito nagsumikap ka, nagpakahirap ka sa buhay mo, aasenso ka, tama? Pero iba sa babae, kahit magpakahirap ka, kahit patayin mo yung sarili mo sa hirap, hindi siya magiging attracted sa'yo kasi nga wala siyang nafe-feel sa'yo. Gets mo? You need to forget her. You need to find a woman that you can lead. Okay? Huwag kang magpakatanga sa isang babae. Huwag kang magpakahirap sa isang babae na wala naman na po-provide sa'yo. Porket nag-reply ng isang beses, feeling mo gusto ka? Porket lumabas kayo na isang beses, feeling mo in love na siya? Hindi tayo dapat maging emotional. I know, masarap sa pakiramdam na pinansin ka ng crush mo, na nakipag-date ng crush mo. Pero hindi magtatapos dun yun. Gets mo? Kailangan mo kailangan mong may mapatunayan, hindi lang sa sarili mo, kundi sa mga taong nakatingin sa'yo at sa mga taong hindi naniniwala sa'yo. Especially yung ex mo o yung babaeng gusto mo o yung mga babaeng na reject sa'yo. Sana malinaw to. Ikaw ang price brand. Kailangan mong may gawin sa buhay para maging price ka. Our value should be earned. Hindi ka babae, wala magre-rescue sa'yo. Pagdating ng panahon, tatanda ka. Pag wala kang pera, wala kang ipon, you will be fucking alone. Tandaan mo ang babae, kahit ano mang ginawa niya from the past, she can still have a boyfriend or maybe a husband. Ulitin ko, tandaan mo ang babae, ano man ang ginawa niya from the past, kahit 10 anak niyan, meron at merong lalaking magbibigay ng relationship sa kanya. Naintindihan mo ba? Because most of men are fucking simp, or most of men don't know their fucking value. Sana malinaw to, guys. Please help yourself. Okay, so yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Tandaan mo, you are the fucking prize, bro. Basta patunayan mo lang at pakita mo lang sa sarili mo na kaya mong maging prize, na kaya mong maging lalaki na pinapangarap ng bawat kababaihan. So yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.